Today, the world's population is about 7 billion. We expect that by 2050, that population will go up to about 10 billion. And by that time, 70% of people will be living in cities. Designing and managing urban growth at this scale has never been done before, and how we do it is absolutely critical for the future of everyone on the planet.
Most of the world's most important cities are situated right at the edge of the sea.
We've already had to learn to live with storms and floods in my country, the Netherlands. Other countries can learn from the techniques we have developed.
We expect to add about 100 million people to the United States by 2050. Our suburban sprawl is not sustainable, and our energy use is far too big.
Climate change is also making it more difficult to deal with problems like water and food shortages, and they will get worse as the population grows. Today, 1 billion people or more live in informal settlements where there's been almost no city design at all. And retrofitting these communities and making sure that population growth can be accommodated will be a huge challenge. I'm Gary Hack. I taught urban design for many years at MIT before coming to the University of Pennsylvania as the Dean of the School of Design. And now I've gone back to teaching and practicing and writing about urban design.
I'm Jonathan Barnett. I was the Director of Urban Design for the City Planning Commission in New York and have gone on to be a consultant to many other cities. Here at Penn, I'm a professor of practice in city and regional planning and the director of the urban design program.
I'm Stefan. I have my own planning and design office, and until recently I was the director of the urban design program at the University of Hong Kong. Now I'm an associate professor of urban design at Penn.
We hope you will join us in this conversation. We will show you how cities have developed from the earliest times, the design ideas that have shaped cities, and the way that city designs can be made to happen.
We'll have to build many new cities and districts to keep up with the growing population. They should be as good as an older city or even better. And while information technology is going to change the way we live, the reality is we still need to design for face-to-face communication in cities.
We will describe ways in which we can make cities more sustainable. And as cities develop ever faster, we also have to hold on to what is good about our cities and find new uses for old buildings and places.
We have to find ways to make informal settlements better places and to design future growth so that it is ready for the people when they begin arriving.
We expect big changes in cities. We also expect big changes in city design. We will be showing you some of the visionary ideas people are exploring.
We invite you to join us in this conversation about city design.